YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone focusing on the Vivo Y56 2025, up to 600 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the channel where we explore the latest and most exciting smartphones outside the Apple world. Today, we're taking a close look at the newly released Vivo Y56, a mid-range device that's making waves in early 2025. Let us break down everything you need to know about this phone and whether it's worth your money. Starting off with the design, the Vivo Y56 keeps things simple yet stylish. It features a slim and lightweight body that feels good in the hand. The back panel has a smooth matte finish that resists fingerprints, while the camera module has a clean layout. It's available in a couple of trendy colors that will appeal to both casual users and those who like a bit of flair in their gadgets. The overall build is plastic, which is expected in this price range, but it still feels sturdy and durable. Now let us talk about the display. Vivo has gone with a 6.58-inch IPS LCD screen. It's a full HD Plus panel, offering decent brightness and sharpness for everyday use. While it doesn't have an AMOLED screen or a super high refresh rate, it still provides a smooth experience when scrolling through apps or watching videos. The bezels are fairly minimal, and the teardrop notch at the top houses the front camera without being too distracting. Moving on to performance, the Vivo Y56 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity chip. It handles multitasking quite well, and thanks to the optimized FontOS OS, app switching and background processes feel snappy. You can run your favorite social media apps, do light gaming, and even edit photos or videos without much trouble. It comes with up to 8 GB of RAM and enough internal storage to handle most users' needs. Plus, there's a dedicated micro SD card slot for those who need extra space. When it comes to the camera setup, the Vivo Y56 keeps it basic but efficient. On the back, you get a dual camera system with a main sensor that captures good detail in daylight conditions. Colors come out natural, and the AI enhancements help improve low light shots to some extent. The secondary lens assists with depth sensing, so portrait shots have a nice background blur. On the front, the selfie camera does a respectable job for video calls and social media posts, and there are a few beauty filters baked into the camera app for those who like a little enhancement. Battery life is one of the strong points of this phone. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with regular use. Whether you're streaming, texting, or browsing, you won't be reaching for the charger too often. And when you do, there's support for fast charging that helps you get back to full power fairly quickly. The software experience on the Y56 is clean and easy to navigate. It runs on the latest version of Android with Vivo's custom skin on top. You get some added features like screen recording, app cloning, and gesture navigation. There are a few pre-installed apps, but most of them can be uninstalled if you don't need them. In conclusion, the Vivo Y56 is a solid mid-range option for anyone looking for a reliable smartphone in early 2025. It doesn't try to be flashy or over-deliver, but instead focuses on offering good value for money. With a clean design, decent performance, and strong battery life, it fits well into the daily needs of most users. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to FK iPhone. Stay tuned for more honest takes on the best phones beyond the Apple ecosystem. See you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like a version with background music suggestions or screen visuals to match.